Well, it seems to me to be essential. Social action is embedded in a society. I don't want to argue here about how we distinguish culture and society. They are certainly related. They are studied by different specialties in different ways. But it's the embeddedness of language use deep within a context that involves assumptions, values, interests, presuppositions, prior genres, complete histories and traditions that we need to understand in order to understand how a genre is a mode of action, is a way of getting things done, even of understanding what things can be done and should be done and how they are going to be interpreted in that society. So I would just summarize by saying that culture is a sort of central containing consideration in understanding genre as social action.
I guess I have to start up asking what definition of culture, or what is culture, and that is highly contested in many areas. In anthropology, certainly, that's one of the enduring topics of discussion. I'll give a couple of possible definitions or elements of culture and talk about how they would enter in. So cultural historical psychology says that culture is in the tools and artifacts that are made available in a society for a person to use. And one can certainly see that the media of communication and the genres, as well as other elements of language, are historically evolving and available tools around which one, through which one can carry out social interaction. So from that, the genres actually is culture from that point of view. Mm-hmm. Some people extend that to include the practices, which may mean the particular ways people handle and orient towards the tools, other people's behaviors. And again, genre can be seen, especially when you start looking at it from a kind of a psychological view, as creating a kind of disposition or an orientation towards events, sets of reactions, sets of evaluations. So in that sense, a genre can also be seen well intertwined with culture, and in fact a means of carrying out cultured behavior in the sense of habitus. And so that's also something that people use to talk about as culture.